Sir, good morning. No? Any information po regarding the whereabouts of Saldico? You said last Friday he was in Japan. Is it also true na nasa isang country siya na walang extradition treaty with the Philippines kaya hindi siya maaresto basta-basta? Kasi meron tayong kay Negros Oriental representative na huli siya agad. But why with Saldico? Why is it taking so long?
We believe he's traveling with another passport. We do not know if he's using another name. So, bine-verify pa namin eh. The blue notice is out. Now that we have now that he is good, the arrest warrant, the red notice can be out and then we will further determine kung nasaan talaga siya.
So, hindi po siya gumagamit ng Philippine passport. So, kahit i-cancel, Secretary?
Ang hula lang namin, reportedly he has another passport that he's using.
Thank you, sir.